you're going to sort things that start with the letter P, and letter M. So we're going to go around our house and we're going to look for things that start with letter P and letter M. Let's go. Okay, I have a basket of things that starts with letter P and letter M. So now we're going to sort them. We're going to put all the P stuff on one side and all the M stuff on the other side. Can you help me? Okay. This is peanut butter. Peanut butter starts with letter P. This is perfume. Perfume starts with letter P. Let's see what I have next. I have a mask. Mask starts with letter M. M for mask. Let's close my eyes. I have a plate. Plate starts with letter P. Plate. Close my eyes. I found popcorn. Popcorn starts with letter P. Close my eyes. I found a mirror. Mirror starts with letter M. M for mirror. I found markers. Markers starts with letter M. M for markers. I also found some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise starts with letter M. So I'm going to put mayonnaise on the M side. And last one, I have a magnet. Magnet starts with letter M. M for magnet. Let's look at our sorting board. Our sorting boards for letter P and letter M. For P, we have perfume, peanut butter, popcorn, and plate. For letter M, we have magnet, mask, markers, mirror, and mayonnaise. What did you find?